Hi, welcome everybody to the Native TCG. Got me some Dairy Queen and I got me another box of Mystery Power Box. So, we're gonna get right into it and see if there's a graded card or not. So, let's find out, shall we? Nope. Got a deck box. Nice. Got me some cards. Of course, some other packs. Got two tacticals. Got one right here. Hopefully get the Exodia. Start with the Wild Survivor. See if we can get collect a rare. Whoa, look at that. Upside down. Pretty crazy. You never seen that before. So 1, 2, 3, and I think it's 3. Alright. Giant Rex, Superstar, Philosopher's. Oh! I guess this one was by. Hang on. Let's get to the next. Well, no graded cards, but let's see what we can get. 1, 2, 3. Anti Book of Eclipse. Here's our rare. Wah. Getting the card tricks mixed up, but here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's get going. Invader Darkness, Pure Iron Wall. Oh my goodness, I guess that was our rare 2 right there. This is our rare for this one. And here's the money maker. I know we got something shiny out of this one. There's always something shiny out of these ones. Royal Straight. Oh, an Evil Twin Lila. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Peace.